Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can extract the music in Suno. In order to do so, here we are, suno.com, and what we're looking for can be found in the Create section. In the main menu, we can find one of our songs here, and if we hit the 3-button menu here on the right-hand side, you're going to see an option that says Get Stems MIDI. We're going to click on that, and here you can see that we have two options. One, all detected stems you can extract for 50 credits up to 12 separated instruments, vocals, and MIDI tracks, if that's what you need. But if you just need something more straightforward, here you also have the option to separate vocals and instrumentals. So it'll just separate the vocals, and then the instrumental you have on a separate track. We've already done this here. So here where it says see extracted stems, I'm going to click on that. Otherwise, I would click here where it says extract or extract again, but we're going to see extracted stems, and you're going to see for yourself. Here we have our stems, and we have our vocals, and we have our instrumental. So if all you're looking for the instrumental is here, all you need to do is here on the right hand side, you'll see this icon that has a download icon in it. Click that, and you can download the instrumental separate. If you still want the vocals for whatever reason, you could click download all here, and it will download both the instrumental and the vocals. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.